You're probably staring at a list of ice makers, wondering if you'll end up spending a fortune on something that just sits in the back corner gathering dust, or worse, a unit that can't keep up during the lunch rush. I get that hesitation. You've got a budget, a space to fit the machine into, and a real need for reliable ice, whether you're a cafe owner, a bartender, or just the person who loves hosting big family gatherings. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. So let's talk about the Kfreshzldm commercial ice machine. It's marketed as an 800-pound per day ice producer with a 650-pound storage bin, self-clean cycle, and a timing function that promises ice ready in as little as 5 minutes. Those numbers look impressive on paper, but what matters is how the machine behaves once you actually plug it in and start using it day after day. First, the production rate. 800 pounds of ice a day translates to roughly 100 pounds per hour if you run it non-stop. In a busy coffee shop that serves a steady stream of iced lattes and cold brew, that output can keep the glass full without a bottleneck. A bar that runs happy hour from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. will typically need somewhere between 150 and 250 pounds of ice, depending on the cocktail menu. For those scenarios, the Kfreshzldm can comfortably meet demand, and the 5-minute first ice claim means you won't be scrambling to fill a bin that's still empty. The storage bin is another practical factor. At 650 pounds, it's roughly the size of a small suitcase filled to the brim. That capacity lets you run the machine on a cycle, fill the bin, and then pull ice as needed for several hours. If you're a home user who wants a weekend supply for parties, the bin might feel overkill, but it also means you won't be refilling every couple of hours. For a restaurant kitchen where space is at a premium, you'll need to ensure you have a dedicated corner that can accommodate a unit that's roughly 28 inches wide, 24 inches deep, and 70 inches tall. Most commercial prep areas have that kind of clearance, but a tight barback might need to rearrange a few things. One of the features that actually saves you time is the self-clean cycle. Ice machines can develop scale or mold if you let water sit, especially in humid climates. The Kfreshzldm runs a rinse-and-drain program automatically after each ice production cycle, and you can also trigger it manually on a schedule. In practice, that means you won't have to shut down the machine for a deep clean every month. A quick weekly check is enough. It's a convenience that many lower-end home models skip, and it can extend the life of the unit. Now, let's get into the downsides. The machine runs on 110V, which is standard for most US commercial kitchens, but it draws a significant amount of current up to 30 amps at peak production. If your existing circuit isn't sized for that load, you'll need an electrician to add a dedicated line, which adds to the upfront cost. Also, because it's designed for continuous operation, the noise level can be noticeable. During a quiet morning shift, the compressor and water pump hum can be heard across the prep area. It's not deafening, but it's something to consider if you have an open concept space where ambience matters. Another hidden trade-off is water consumption. Producing 800 pounds of ice per day uses roughly 80 gallons of water, plus the extra for the self-clean cycle. If you're in an area with high water rates, that could add a few dollars to your monthly overhead. On the other hand, most commercial setups already have a water line dedicated to ice makers, so you might already be paying for that infrastructure. Who should buy this machine? If you run a cafe that sells at least 30 to 40 iced drinks per hour during peak times, a bar that needs a steady flow of ice for cocktails, or a small catering operation that prepares large batches of iced water, the Kfreshzldm's capacity and speed will pay for itself quickly. It also makes sense for a household that entertains frequently and wants to avoid the hassle of buying bags of ice from the store. The self-clean function and timing control make it low maintenance enough for a non-technical user who just wants set-it-and-forget-it reliability. Who should skip it? If your daily ice need is under 50 pounds, think a quiet bakery, or a home kitchen that only makes a few iced teas a week. The bin capacity and power draw become unnecessary overhead. In that case, a smaller countertop model would fit better and cost less. Also, if you have a tiny back-of-house area with limited floor space, the footprint might be too large, and you'd be better off with a compact under-counter unit. In terms of value, the machine's price point is positioned against other commercial-grade ice makers that often charge significantly more for similar output. The combination of a large bin, rapid,